What is up guys? JD from the DeFi Insider here, and in this quick step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily create your own EMP-ETH LP tokens on the Binance Smartchain, so you can also participate and deposit your LPs in the EMP-Money and Detonator protocols, and enjoy this excellent DeFi passive income opportunity while it's not too late. If you already know how to create the EMP-ETH LP tokens, feel free to go ahead and watch my complete step-by-step tutorial video on how to smash it hard with the latest EMP Detonator protocol. You can find the link to the walkthrough in the description section of this video. This video is intended for both experts, as well as for folks who are completely new to blockchain. This channel is 100% fully dedicated to educate the public and my subscribers about the newest DeFi passive income opportunities and fresh solid strategies for sustainable profitability, as early as possible, and in the most transparent and detailed way, so everyone will have a fair chance to benefit from the DeFi revolution that is escalating quickly in the world. If this sounds awesome to you guys, like this video, and smash that subscribe button below, also tick the bell icon, so you will never miss another fresh DeFi passive income opportunity ever again. Like always, this is not financial advice. This video was made for educational purposes only. Alright, so let's begin. Overall, there are 3 platforms you will need to use to ultimately create the LP tokens. And these are Binance, MetaMask and Pancakeswap. The first platform we need to use is a crypto exchange. You will need to register an account with a crypto exchange platform that supports transactions on the Binance Smartchain. This is where we will buy the cryptocurrency which we will later exchange to the relevant tokens for our liquidity pools. I personally prefer using Binance, as it is a very accessible and easy to use platform with a fantastic support to the Binance Smartchain. Binance also allows smooth debit and credit card purchases, and has considerably low fees compared to other alternatives in the market. In case you do not have a Binance account yet, I've included a registration link in the description section of this video, so go ahead and create your account. The registration process should only take a few minutes and you will also need to provide some form of ID to get KYC verified. Awesome, now that you have a Binance account, it's time to buy some crypto. I recommend purchasing BNB, as remember, we always need some extra BNB in our wallet to cover any transaction gas fees that are associated with all Binance Smartchain DeFi applications. Perfect. After you purchased your BNB, the next step will be to transfer this BNB amount into your MetaMask account. MetaMask is a browser-based wallet that allows us to communicate and connect to any Web3 DeFi application. If you don't have a MetaMask wallet yet, simply go to metamask.io and install your preferred browser extension. Remember guys, when you create your account, make sure you save your secret recovery phrase in a very safe place, as anyone who gets hold of your phrase will be able to access all of your account funds. Fantastic. Now that you have your MetaMask account set up, you can complete the BNB transfer from Binance. To do so, just navigate to your BNB wallet in Binance, and click on the Withdraw button. Now simply enter your MetaMask wallet address, and select Binance Smartchain in the network drop-down. Finally, enter the amount you would like to transfer, and hit the Withdraw button. Then simply approve the transaction in MetaMask. The BNB transfer should usually be completed within a few seconds. Perfect. Now that we have some BNB in our MetaMask wallet, it's time to connect it to Pancakeswap to create our EMP-ETH LP tokens. In order for us to create a liquidity pool for 2 tokens, such as EMP and ETH, we need to convert half of our BNB balance to each of them. So in our case, we would want to exchange 50% of our BNB into ETH, and the other 50% into EMP tokens. Let's go ahead and do that. Navigate to pancakeswap.finance, and connect your wallet by clicking on the button in the top right side of the screen. If your MetaMask account is not currently connected to the Binance Smartchain, your MetaMask will prompt a notification to add the network as you connect for the first time. If this happens to you, simply confirm the MetaMask notification and continue. Now, head over to the Exchange tab, and select BNB and ETH. Calculate 50% of your total BNB balance, and enter this amount in the BNB section. Now click the Swap button. Proceed according to the on-screen instructions, and approve the transaction gas fees to complete the swap. Brilliant. We have just created our first half of our LP. Let's now repeat this process, but this time we will exchange our remaining BNB into EMP. If you cannot find the EMP token in the exchange dropdown, all you need to do is to navigate to the Buy EMP link I have provided in the description section. This will take you to the correct exchange configurations on Pancakeswap.finance, and will automatically add the EMP token to your Pancakeswap dropdown list. Now in the amount section, I always recommend to reduce it a bit so you will have some BNB left in your MetaMask to cover for any future transaction fees. So now, go ahead and enter the max amount, minus a small amount. Once again, click the swap button and confirm the transaction in MetaMask. Alright, we are nearly there. We have now created the second half of our EMP-ETH LP. The final step is to actually use the balances of these two tokens, in order to create the official liquidity pool in Pancakeswap, and get the LP tokens into our MetaMask wallet. This is super simple, don't worry. In Pancakeswap, navigate to the Liquidity tab, and click the Add Liquidity button. Great. Now select in the drop-down ETH and EMP. Enter the max amount of EMP, and you will see that Pancakeswap automatically assigned the correct amount in the ETH section. Finally, click on the confirmation button, and also confirm the transaction on MetaMask. That's it guys. We have successfully created out ETH EMP LP tokens, and we are now ready to deposit them into the Detonator protocol. If you don't know what is the Detonator protocol, I strongly encourage you to check out my complete step-by-step tutorial on how to make hundreds of dollars per day, utilizing this passive income smart contract. You can find the link to the full video in the description section of this video. Once your MetaMask wallet is connected to the Detonator, click on the deposit button, and enter the amount of LPs you would like to deposit. Then simply click the confirm button, and approve the transaction on MetaMask. Congratulations! Now you have all the knowledge you will need to get started with the latest DeFi protocols, and enter the EMP ecosystem. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like it, and also subscribe to this channel so I'll keep posting awesome content for you. Thanks for watching.